Welcome back to some awesome video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Welcome to the Minecraft. Now today I'm going to show you guys how to make um an automatic armor. So watch this. Oh wait. Yeah, okay. Watch this, guys. I'm not really good at this, so I do third person, like fourth person, just like that. Okay, let's get into the thing. Oh, I missed. Yeah, so give me a sec. Give me a sec. Oh wait. Guys, give me a sec. I forgot something. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, today, guys, but before this video start, I want you guys to smack that like button, click that subscribe button, slap the bell if you haven't already. If you already did it, great job. And I hope, guys, we have 12 likes for this video, or something we can have to, like 20, 15 likes, 10 likes. I really want that likes, guys, so smack that like button. Oh, guys, I always get one like every day, so today is new forward. So let's see. So this is the automatic armor. Okay, so see what happens. See what happens when I walk to this. Look, an automatic armor. I've been a noob. This is just, I pretty don't know about this, but maybe you guys know about it. So, um, wow, I'm just a noob because I don't guys, let me know in the comments below if you already made this, cause I'm a noob. So let's just go. Get to settings. Get to the settings. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna show you how do you make that thing. You probably don't. If you guys know that, then you just don't watch the video. Just smack the like button. Yeah, slap that like button and click that subscribe button, and also slap the bells if you haven't already, because you're gonna miss them. So what you need is redstone, dispenser, the block of choice. Mine's gonna be lapis lazuli, a pressure plate, and a redstone torch. So we're gonna see. Get out of here, skeleton. He's gonna ruin my thing. Get out of here. Yeah. So, guys, I'm planning to get a laptop soon so that I can actually do this on PC something. I'm trying to get our computer fixed, but maybe I still stick at Android or something, or a laptop I have. So let's just do it. So today, you know what? I'm gonna go. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Time set 0 because you guys. Creeper, get out! Every get away! Get away! Get away, creeper! Creeper, get away! Or I'll ignite you. Oh my god! I got his needs. Means that I have a fight. Oh my god! Oh. Oh, guys, apologize. So today, yeah, guys, we're gonna build this thing. And if you have it already, then get. Oh yeah, I forgot this guy. I forgot this thing. Damn, I just throw that armor. Give me the armor. Give me the armor. So I forgot. Also, you're gonna need some armor, especially because you need. So I picked gold armor because it looks cool. You can go chain armor, diamond armor, emerald armor, but that doesn't exist. You can do it in imagination, or you can dye a leather. Skeleton, get out of here, because you're gonna step on splap shop. Okay, let's do it. Okay, B. So you're gonna dig one hole, the other one 2, another one 2. Then 1. Oh my god. Wait. Let's go to the other one because he's not playing. Maybe like playing. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So what you're gonna do is you put redstone all over it. but you put a redstone torch just right here. Then put facing a dispenser just right there, and a dispenser just right there. Block this thing. Put a block down there. Then put a redstone torch. Probably just block it all if you want. You can put a door to make it awesome, but I'm not gonna put a door. But who you are. So yeah. Then you get a door another here. Now you want to put a redstone up top of this dispenser. So that won't work. So what you do is you crouch, get the redstone, put it on there to like connect it. Yeah, then you face. Oh, stop jumping. Okay, I really sound sick today, guys. So do that there. So there, you put that thing there. Yeah, allow access to do it. You can put a door on it, probably. No need to do that, but yeah, you have to put the pressure plate. Oh wait, then just put the armor first. Put the armor in. Wait, I'm crouching. So I put the armor in. I'm Pocket Edition, but I look like in PC. You like the MCP mod. Yeah, you can change it on your setting, guys. Classic, you can go to Pocket. I'm in Classic. I don't really like Classic that much. Then yeah, so you crouch, get the pressure plate on. Okay, so I'm just gonna review this if I miss something, cause like I'm really hard-headed. I can't if I miss something then. Okay, to the finale. 3, 2, let's go. Boom, ba 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 da. I did it. Look, I did it. I got the armor. Yes, bro. Oh, my phone. Let's go. See, guys, I left the armor. I got all the armor. So, guys, wow, that was cool. I'm pretty a noob because this is my first time enjoying it. Wow. I liking that, so I'm gonna put that on our realm, guys. If you can see, I made a survival series episode 1, maybe from previous days. I didn't even remember what it is. There's no episode 2 yet. I'm gonna make one, so make sure to stay tuned on it, okay? And slap that bell, cause you will miss everything. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to slap that like button. And if you're new here, want to be part of the Jazz Army or Jazz Nation, make sure to click that subscribe button and also slap the bell to always get notified. If you haven't yet, then do it. If you did, then great job. I'll give you 10 points, or I just can give you a. If you already did it, wait. Where is it? Where's the R's? Okay. If you did it, then I'll give you a R. Yeah, an emerald R. P. Oh wait. P. There we go. Get that emerald R. If you already did the thing I said, slap that like button. Click that subscribe button, slap the bell to always get notified, and if you did it, then get that coin, and give yourself a round of applause for doing it for the Jazz Army and for Jazz. Hope you have 12 likes, 15 likes, or maybe 10 likes. Hope you got that. Guys, I will stay tuned, guys. Merch is coming. I'm serious. Yeah, merch is coming. I just can't get it. Yeah, so... yeah. So, guys, you want to get some emerald? So did it. So yeah, I'll be in that. Take it easy, lemon squeeze.